Hello students. Students, today we are going to start EVS next chapter 13 and the name of our chapter is Water a Basic Need. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about natural sources of water, safe handling of water, save water, it is precious. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about these. Now, water is essential for our life. Living things cannot survive without water. Okay, water is so much important for our life. Okay, water is so urgent for our life. Living things cannot live without water. Okay, we need water for all our activities like drinking, bathing, washing and cooking. We want a water for the many activities, and these activities are drinking, bathing, washing and cooking. Water is necessary for our body as it helps in digestion. Okay, water is necessary for our body because it helps in digestion, because water helps to digest the food. Okay, and it helps to flushing out the toxins from the body and maintaining our body temperature. Okay, water also flushing out the toxins from the body. Okay, it flush out the toxins, okay, that harmful substances from the body and maintain our body temperature. It controls our body temperature. Now, like humans, plants and animals also require water to survive. Okay, like human beings, plants and animals also requires of water to live. Okay, they also need of water to survive. Okay, survive meaning to live on earth. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. How plants get water? Plants get water from the soil through their roots. Okay, plants get water from the soil with the help of their roots. Okay, they make their food and send its nutrients to the other parts. Okay, plants make their food and send its nutrients to the other parts of the plant. Okay, now the next, water is required for irrigation and for producing electricity as well. Okay, water is also required for irrigation. Okay, farmers give a water to the crops. Okay, this process is called a irrigation, watering to the fields. Okay, watering to the crops. Okay, and for producing electricity as well. Okay, with the help of a water we produce electricity. Okay, how we can produce electricity? We can produce the electricity with the help of a water. Now, the natural sources of water. Now, what is the natural source of water? Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Okay, rain is the main source of water on the earth. Rainwater gets collected in lakes, ponds, rivers, springs, seas and oceans. Okay, because rain is the main source of water, and rainwater where get collected? Rainwater get collected in the water bodies like lakes, ponds, rivers, springs, seas and oceans. There is a rainwater get collected. Okay, during summer snow melts on the mountains and water rushes down to from rivers. Okay, during summer, because in summer are so hot. Okay, in summer are so much hot, so during the summer snow get melted. Okay, from the mountains. Okay, in a summer, because there is a so much hot, so snow melt from the mountains and water rushes down to the rivers. Okay, because snow changes into water and that water rushes down from the rivers. Okay, some of the rain water seeps under the ground. Okay, when a rain comes, some of the rainwater goes inside the ground. Okay, goes inside the ground, that seeps under the ground or absorbed by the ground. This is called a underground water. Okay, which water seeps under the ground or absorbed by the ground, that water is called a underground water. Okay, this water is collected from lakes and rivers and sent to this water is sorry this water this water is taken out by digging wells, tube wells, and hand pumps. And how we can take out the underground water? We can take out the underground water by digging wells, tube wells, and hand pumps. Okay, with the helps of tube wells, digging wells, and hand pumps, we take out the underground water and we take in use. Okay, in cities where water is collected from lakes and rivers and sent to the water treatment plants. Okay, in a big cities, water is get collected from the lakes and rivers and sent to the water treatment plants. Okay, in the cities, water get collected from the lakes and rivers and sent to the water treatment plants, where it is cleaned and supplied throughout the city through pipes. Okay, from the lakes and rivers, water get collected and sent to a water treatment plant. Okay, where the water is purified, where our water is cleaned, and then it is supplied to the whole city with the through the pipes. Okay, then it is supplied to the whole city through the pipes. Now next is a water pollution. What is a water pollution? Sources of water get dirty due to many human activities like washing clothes, bathing animals, urinating, and throwing garbage. Okay, many of the sources of water get dirty due to many human activities like, because many of the peoples wash clothes in the water bodies, they bath the animals in the water bodies, urinating in water bodies, and also throw a garbage in water bodies. That way our clean water get polluted. Okay, now factories also pollute water by releasing wastes into water bodies. Okay, factories also pollute the water bodies by releasing the waste into the water bodies. Okay, most of the factories release their wastes into the water bodies. That way they pollute the water. Okay, this is called a water pollution. When our water get polluted, then it is called a water pollution. Okay, when our water became dirty, it is called a water pollution. When our water get polluted, then it is called a water pollution. By polluting water, we harm ourselves in many ways. Okay, when we pollute the water, then we harm ourselves, not to the others, we harm ourselves. And how we harm ourselves? That is, many water animals and plants die due to water pollution. Okay, many water animals and plants die due to water pollution. Okay, which many of the animals which live in water like fishes and frogs, that many water animals and plants die to water pollution, because when the water animals they drink a polluted water and we give a polluted water to the plants, then they get die. Okay, then they died. Now next, drinking polluted water can cause diseases like jaundice and cholera. When we drink a polluted water, it can cause a diseases, that is jaundice and cholera. Okay, if anybody put a question, when we polluted a when we drink a polluted water. Okay, when we drink a polluted water, then which diseases can cause? Then when we drink a polluted water, then the diseases can cause, that is that diseases are jaundice and cholera. Now next, bathing in dirty water can cause skin diseases. Okay, when we bath with the dirty water, it can cause a skin diseases. Okay, when we bath with the dirty water, it can cause a skin diseases, it harms the skin. Okay, so bache, next our next chapter we study in next video. Okay, thanks.